medium, challenges and difficulties which has been faced during launching the product to the public market. So right from the idea generation to the full and final settlement of the product, there are certain activities and phases which took place in between and helped us to frame a customer likely product in an effective and efficient manner. Well, moving towards the procurement format, our first thing comes that from where we should procure the materials that are going to be used in the further steps. So starting with the procurement, basically procurement includes purchase and supply of goods, and it is mainly categorized into two parts, where the first one is in-house and another one is external procurement. According with the components used in the further process, we use the different methods and types in obtaining the resources for the manufacturing part. We use just-in-time procurement and the stock procurement, as just-in-time is characterized by lowest stock levels at our company, and this led to a reduction of costs and to lean and balanced process, whereas stock procurement is beneficial in terms of in-house manufacturing. Now moving towards the development schedule. Here we analyze the activity sequence, duration, resource requirements, and constraints to the project schedule model, through which we'll look over each and every perspectives which help in managing the project schedule throughout the process life cycle. Uh, uh, this plan provides guidance and set expectation towards the target policies and procedures for planning, development, managing, executing, and controlling the schedule. Further, after analyzing and procuring all the components which are going to be needed, we move towards the manufacturing process. During this process, the initial phase comes out is development phase, where the research and analysis regarding the product development and manufacturing take place. After establishing the feasibility of the product, we determine the specifications of the product in more detail by working on the design and manufacturing of our caps, as well as selecting and obtaining necessary processing machinery and tools, etc. Now, after development phase, the next one come is the baseline system, where the prototype and design are the main priority of the manufacturing process. After completion of the prototype, the production phase initiates, where testing and planning regarding our product takes place. As in this phase, our product is fully manufactured and tested for reference, and then after it is ready to be used. And now the main deadline phase is the logistics phase, where the main focus is on delivery and support system. Here, our company use 3PL system, that is third-party logistics system, where we get access to expertise and experienced channels, which helps in improving customer satisfaction and also helps our company in deriving cost savings. Moving towards the last page. Now, the design and the structure created means a lot for the customer attraction. And here, before the process, our company sets steps towards the CAD and CAM. Wherein computer-aided design, wherein the computer-aided design, our company's experts create a digital simulation of 3D parts. Most commonly, this is associated with the design of a part. That document the 3D part has that document the 3D part that has been designed so that our company's manufacturer can physically make it, and the designs are fabricated in such a way that can easily be a customer likely structure in order to its functioning and carriage. So after all, the last thing comes are the guidelines which must be followed to the whole period of each and every process. The first one is don't skim the research, as following the negligence may cost a huge loss in the growth state, which further declines the product life sooner. Then is be simple and precise. It means be always apparent and accurate in delivering the information to the others regarding our product, and live up on each and every promise made through which the customer loyalty would be maintained towards our product and service. The next is be feasible and reasonable. It is very important as being practicable and logical helps in building customer consistency and satisfaction. And the last is consider short term but plan for long term. In this term, as we know that this is one time investment by most of our customers, and hence for long term perspective or customer attachment, if in future any defects occur in the cap, they may easily replace that defected component from selected store, which holds our company's product by license. As our company has made the in-house manufacturing patent and provides the license to the selected stores where from the customer can get easy access, and this will help us in booking long-term profits and sustainability of the business. That's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you, sir.
Fine.